Okay, let's talk about the solo thing first. So I'm glad I saw you playing that because I can see something you're doing that's making this harder on yourself. Like you're doing a double downstroke and then an upstroke. Like you're doing, I'm just going to stay on one note here, but I see you doing this down, down, up, like that. Instead of down, up, down. So when you're doing this stuff, you should be going down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. Start doing it like that, you should find it a lot easier. So one thing that you need to do if you haven't done so already, can you play this up to 130 by itself? If the answer is no, you need to just do that. If the answer is yes, then can you play this at 130 by itself? If the answer is no, you need to be able to do that. But let's say the answer is yes. Now the question is, can you play both of those by themselves, or basically from the rest of the group? Can you play this highlighted portion at 130? If the answer is no, you need to do that first before doing the entire thing. Each individual portion needs to be done at that 130, preferably 140, before putting the entire thing together. So remember that. If you haven't done all the individual bars first, you need to do that. It will take less time to do each individual thing and then 2 bars at a time and piece it all together like that, versus trying the entire thing all the time and being stuck at that 120. Even though it seems like, oh yeah, there's a lot more work. Just remember, when it comes to this sort of thing, the more steps you can take, the faster you get to where you want to go. It's like trying to go, jump up to the top of a skyscraper. Like you just want to do 2 steps, like start here and then jump way up. Well, if you could do it, fantastic. I don't think so. But if you have that step ladder that has thousands of rungs all the way up, then you just you will get up to the top of that building far faster than trying to jump up the entire way. Yeah, there's way more steps, but they're manageable steps, doable steps. So, piece by piece to make sure you can get it. And with the proper picking direction too. That will help you. Alright, number 1, going between 2 different rhythms that you've been working on. So starting to mix things up some more. Here we go at the 60. That's a little bit too quiet there. Alright, here we go. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And I should have pointed out, yes, you did well in the strumming videos, so very good on that. All right, 160 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was incorrect. I'm going to do 150 instead, actually. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. number 2. A couple other rhythms that you've worked on. Going between those two now. Back down to 60. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 150 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, So, big thing this week, make sure for that solo part, 1 bar at a time, make sure you can get all of those up to at least 130, and then do 2 bars at a time, and then you can start putting the whole thing together. Even just like half of it, just like do the 4 bars at a time. Do the first 4 bars, make sure you can do that up to the 130 at least. 140 is preferable, and then do the second half up to 130 at least. 140 being preferable. So until you can do all that, don't play the entire thing at once, because it will take much longer to get it up to speed. Breaking it down into smaller pieces gets you there much faster. Much faster. And watch the picking direction. Watch the picking direction. Alright, any questions come up, let me know. I will see you again next week.